this is Aarush. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make Jaffee, that is coffee from jackfruit seed. All you need is just one ingredient to make it, but this will take more time to make it. You should soak jackfruit seeds for 24 hours and remember to change the water after 8 hours during the 24 hours of soaking. After soaking, cut the jackfruit seeds or use a hand pound to break the jackfruit seeds. Finely roast the jackfruit seeds. After roasting, finely blend it in a mixie jar. Now take the colander and finely sieve the contents. You can blend the coarse powder again and again to get a fine powder. Can you see how fine it is? You can touch it in your hand and you can feel it. It's nicely fine. Now roast the powder. Keep roasting in low flame. Roast it until it turns brown. It will take long time to roast the content. Can you see? It's nice and dark. This is how it looks after we roast the contents. You can try it at home and comment it on my channel. Now your Jaffee is ready. You cannot use it as an instant coffee powder, but you can use it as a filter coffee powder. Once your coffee powder is roasted, turn off your gas stove, allow it to cool down, and you can pack it in a glass jar. I had my Jaffee with warm coconut milk. Okay. I hope you like the content of this video. If you like the content of this video, then you know what to do. This is Aarush signing off. Love you all.